And today is her birthday. It's her driver's license birthday. So we're gonna make Banh Chao.
Okay, thank you.
So we use this brand. You can get it at the Asian market, and I'll look for a link to click below. Hey, and then this is my favorite auntie. Look, they're sisters. Do they look the same? And my son is coming.
Hey, Bob. I miss you.
You don't miss me?
What's your name again?
This is my oldest son. Do you look the same?
Just a little. Hola! Yay!
So on the back here, we are sauteing the filling. It's just chicken because my dad can only eat chicken, but usually you put pork. And pork and shrimp. Okay, so 1 can of coconut milk.
Strong, I'm sorry.
Shrimp.
And how many eggs? 2 eggs. So I don't think she's following instructions, but it works.
Alright.
You eat a little bit fast.
Oh, okay, that's them already. So that one is, I guess there was dried green onions in there, but I already cut the fresh one. You need to add turmeric. I think they have some in there already, but you just want more. See, it has a little yellow. Let me get it, Joe. Should I try it?
Chạy.
Cháo?
Ồ, tục cô với tục ở bên nó có bị sập gì.
So that's coconut dome. She's cooking on her birthday. Always the best. I love MSG. Okay, then we steam it up. I haven't done this in a while. I did it one time last year. So once I do more, then I
Thế mà.
see.
Yeah, thank you.
I'll get the hang of it. Right now I'm not good yet, but I will. I'll just get the right amount and then
Like what? Say again? You go, mother.
done. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. That doesn't look too bad.
That's not so hard.
Because you kind of have to like get the flow of it. I remember this is what happened the last time. Then I was really good. So what they're telling me is every time you put in the batter, you have to stir it because the powder gets settled to the bottom. The flour does. But see, your mama said that's good now. Yeah. So you want to put foil in between like this, and then it won't stick too much. But I didn't do it right, so whatever. Oh yeah, I like it like that. Well, it does get better because when you keep doing more, the pan is the same temperature. In the beginning, it's not even yet. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, that. Oh yeah. Look, man, see, 72 years old.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Anh nhòm.
Yummy. Yummy.
Mặc ba trong giờ đi tập cảm tất cả.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yai. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Make a wish. How do you say make a wish in Khmer?
You asking me?
Make a wish. I don't know.
And come on.
Yeah.
I'll make a wish. And come on.
Anh dùng mà rồi, tất cảគ្នាបានdùng mà rồi đểគ្នាhết. Quanh tất cảគ្នា.
Casino.
Snap casino tomorrow.
Casino, let's go.
Tomorrow. Đây hiện tại tên man.
This is a mango cake.
Oh, that's a new one. New packet. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, sorry. I like it.
You like
Yeah. Ooh, iPad. New one?
new iPad?
Thank you, son. I got new iPad. Thank you.
2, 3.
Happy birthday, Mom. Love you. Hope you live till 100 years old too.